For our last song, we're going to end it with one of our favorite songs. My mother is originally from Ciuqlia. So this is my Pamyua song. Pamyua is the area where my mother is from, near Bethel, Ciuqlia, Atmoshok, Nunap. They call that area the Pamyua. So this is Iiyarriiyaanga, Quyana to Levi Hoover for allowing us to do this dance. I know it's not traditional for women to be hopping around like that, but I've always wanted to hop. So I told them, on Pamyua, we're going to hop, ladies. Before we leave the stage, I want to quickly thank the Traditional Council of Togiak, Bristol Bay Native Corporation, Togiak Natives Limited, Karen Bastiat Takishak, who made my gospel, thank you. Helen Gregorio, Frontier Flying Service, and the BBHC Diabetes Program, and also to AFN for inviting us. We had a great time, and for all of you guys for being such a great audience. Woo! Quyana!